that weird thing in the phone that flashes?
Wait, what are we doing?
What are you doing? You gotta bring it to the base. Right here where I'm at, where this is their base.
That tickled. Okay, just smile,
Put
David.
your finger up my nose. It turns me on.
I like it like that.
Instead of like this, it's like. Are you just like a video?
Yes,
like
I am.
Is that a video?
Yes, it is.
This is how Kylie gets off.
I like it when you show your fingers up my nose. Oh, God.
Now we're like, I don't want to.
No. Oh, no, that's not
Okay,
me.
okay. Picture.
Here, wait.
You want
What
to play
is
with my
this?
food. That's red beans.
Tasty.
It's cold. Might want to warm it up.
I have gum in my mouth. Are you really still taking a video?
Yes. Are you ready for the picture?
What? Brian! That's no.
Like you've never done it before.
What? I did not just do that. I didn't flash him, I swear. Now we're not gonna do it.
You gotta quit eating that turkey.
You gotta quit eating the bird. You don't want to know our conversation in the car. Now I don't want to do anything because now I'm embarrassed.
You embarrassed? Never mind, I can't even say that right now. You know, that's the perfect fade out.
Wait.
Fade out.
What are you doing?
Okay, that's the perfect end.